Hi guys, few months back Xiaomi launched one of the best budget segment smartphone for the year. The Note 4 comes in 3 different variants, 2GB RAM with 32GB of storage, 3GB of RAM with 32GB of storage and another with 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage. Today in this video I have brought you an unboxing and quick overview of Redmi Note 4. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. As you can see on the top and the bottom of the box, there is MI branding, and on the left and right sides, Redmi Note 4 is printed. This is a 2GB 32GB variant. At the back of the box, it shows Made in India. The key specs are as follows. The chipset present inside is Snapdragon 625. There is 5.5-inch Full HD display, 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera, fingerprint sensor, and a 4100 mAh battery. Now let's check what's all inside the box. In the box, we have the phone itself, keeping it aside for the moment. The other box contents include some user guides and warranty card, a SIM tray ejector, a micro USB charging cable, and a charging adapter, which is not a fast charger. Now let's have a look at the physical overview of the phone. On the left, there is a hybrid SIM slot, volume rockers and a power button are on the right side. At the bottom of the phone, there is speaker grill, charging port and the primary microphone. On the top, there is IR blaster, 3.5mm audio jack and a secondary noise cancellation microphone. At the back, there is a 13 megapixel shooter with a dual tone LED flash, and below it, there is fingerprint sensor. And at the bottom, there is MI branding. Moving to the front, at the top, there are sensors, earpiece and a 5 megapixel shooter, followed by a 5.5-inch Full HD display and backlit touch capacitive buttons. Now let me boot the device and set things up. Exploring settings, about phone. The Android version is Android 6.0. Out of 32GB internal memory, the available memory at first boot is 22.2 GB. The available RAM is 935 MB of 2 GB. There are some preloaded Google apps and some utility tools app. At the top panel, you get various shortcuts to different settings. Let's raise the screen brightness to its full. This is how display looks when it's raised to full brightness. Now let me quickly set up the fingerprint. Now let's check how it works. The fingerprint sensor does a great job. It is very responsive. At initial, it unlocks the phone almost each time. Launching the camera app to test the camera. As you can see, there are several modes and filters available with the default camera app, as Xiaomi always provides with its phone. Taking some sample shots with the rear camera. The camera clicks decent pictures. Have a look at them. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys in the next one. Goodbye.